how are you doing? What's up? I'm Boulay, means we're okay, we're hanging. Anyway, I'm an artist, Haitian-American artist, and as you know, art is a form of expression, and maybe dancing, painting, sculpture, poetry, acting, music, and sometimes they say artists are the real true ambassador of a country, promoting the culture. And tonight, I can think about a few Haitian artists in the past.
Hippolyte, Philomé Aubin, and the other brothers, Jean-René Jérôme, Cédor, les frères Maurice, Larat, Duclavier Lecomte, and all the other great Haitian artists that I didn't name tonight, dead or alive. And particularly,
and also some great artists, maybe you didn't know about it. Haitian-American, his brother is Haitian, and his name is Jean-Michel Basquiat. They call him the Black Picasso. The first time the black artist's art, his paintings are being sold up to $15 million a piece these days. He died early in the 1980s. So tonight, I won't say anything about myself. Somebody, when she received the invitation, she said, Smith, I will say a few words on your behalf. How to recognize what you have done, the publication, and Sophia Sabit also, and like to say what you have to say, and Jackson Georges, if he's here, one of the artists, and you see, congratulations, Jackson, and Sophia is coming right now because she travels all over the world. We Haitians, we are not selfish. Because I've extended my humanitarian work using my artwork beyond the Haitian community in Africa, in Japan, and to the bateys of the Dominican Republic. So Sophia has a few words to say.
I would like to say a few words before I present an award to Smith Georges from my organization called Women Beyond Survival, and I deal with the plight of women and children suffering from war and conflict. Smith Georges and I have worked on several humanitarian projects. He has been dedicating his artwork for humanitarian causes. He has been doing voluntary work for my nonprofit organization, Women Beyond Survival, since its inception in 2006. His heart is bigger than his body. He designed the website for my nonprofit organization without accepting a penny. He did a painting that was auctioned off for the benefit of the victims of war from Sierra Leone. Smith's humanitarian work goes further back than the 12 years that I've known him. I have co-hosted his TV show, The World and Democracy, for many years, whereby he has dedicated his life to promote democracy and peace. In July 2004, I orchestrated an art exhibit held at the Brunei Mission to the United Nations. It was titled, Bridging the Gap for the Art of Global Unity. The main purpose of the art exhibit was to show where East meets West with a global understanding. Smith Georges and Ambassador Shafri of Brunei, who was also an artist, displayed paintings that were a reflection of 9/11. They both showed similarities, but they came from different cultures and ethnic backgrounds. This proves that harmony can coexist amongst nations through and with diversities. Dignitaries were present from all over the world. Smith has been honored by CBS and by many publications. I would now like to present a humanitarian award to Smith Georges from Women Beyond Survival.
C'est un marabout, je l'éclairais comme chandelle, l'identité debout, aïe, c'est chaud qu'on te fidèle, ay si chaud qu'on te fidèle, ay j'en moins ta remélie. Six oiseaux, n'en bois qui t'a fait écouter. Six oiseaux, ay si chaud qu'on te fidèle, ay si chaud qu'on te fidèle.
Smith Georges is a contemporary Haitian-American artist activist, born in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, in December 1956. Married to a Haitian woman. Smith's mother and father are also Haitian-born. Smith is the son of a prominent Haitian artist, Duc Lavier Leconte. Georges.
C'est un marabout, je l'éclairais comme chandelle, l'identité debout. Aïe, si chaud qu'on te fidèle, aïe, si chaud qu'on te fidèle, aïe, j'en moins ta remélie. Six oiseaux, n'en bois qui t'a fait écouter. C'est un marabout, je l'éclairais comme chandelle, l'identité debout. Aïe, si chaud qu'on te fidèle, aïe, si chaud qu'on te fidèle, aïe, j'en moins ta remélie. Six oiseaux, n'en bois qui t'a fait écouter. C'est un marabout, je l'éclairais comme chandelle, l'identité debout. Aïe, si chaud qu'on te fidèle, aïe, si chaud qu'on te fidèle, aïe, j'en moins ta remélie. Six oiseaux, n'en bois qui t'a fait écouter. Écouter, le moins songe ça, moins gain.